So here's question number 97 from the exercises in P6, and we need to factor this expression that has fractional exponents. And the first thing we always do is find the greatest common factor, which in this case is our x plus 3. And then the exponent we choose is always going to be the smallest, which in this case 1/2 is smaller than 3 over 2. So 1 over 2 is smaller than 3 over 2, so our greatest common factor is going to be x plus 3 all to the power of 1/2. The next step is take that out of the expression and then multiply it by everything inside the parentheses so that we get the original expression. So x plus 3 times what gives us x plus 3 with the power of 1/2? So that's going to be 1. So when we multiply that, we should get this, and we do. And then we have to think about what to multiply by here so we get this. So right away I see that it's going to be negative, and it is going to be x plus 3. And the power is going to be a fraction that when we add 1/2 to it, we get 3 over 2. So that's going to be 2 over 2, because 1/2 plus 2 over 2 gives us 3 over 2, which is this. So now what I can do is I can simplify. This becomes to the power of 1. So I get 1 minus x plus 3. This will come down, but instead of writing it, I'm just going to keep on using an arrow because I can still simplify this. It would become 1 minus x minus 3. Keep bringing this down. And then combine like terms, which is 1, positive 1, subtract 3 is going to give me negative 2 minus x, and then I'm going to do one more simplification. I'm going to take the negative out, and I'll get 2 plus x, and then I like to rearrange these to be x plus 2. And now I'll bring this all the way down, x plus 3 to the 1/2 subtract x plus 2, or I could take that negative that's right here, can put it to the front, and then this is how it's written in the textbook for your answer. But I would take both of these answers if this were on the test. Okay, so a little bit more complicated than what we've done so far, but hopefully this makes sense in terms of how to get that answer in the textbook. So that's question number 97. I'm going to do number 99 next.